Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Due to the hot weather that we've had down here, my romaine lettuce had started to bolt. So I'm going to harvest as much of it as I can and prepare the container for future harvest. So as you can see, my romaine lettuce is rather tall. In the past week and a half, it has really grown tall and started to bolt. So now's the time to harvest what I can and to prepare the bed for future planting. Okay, this is just from one plant, and I have 6 more to go. So I'm going to go put this inside and then come back and take care of the rest. Well, as you can see, the backyard grocery store delivered again. I got a very substantial amount of romaine lettuce, and I'm very happy with it. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me this morning while I did this quick harvest of romaine lettuce. If you're interested in any of the supplies that I used, they're on my Amazon storefront, and also on my website. I'll list it below. If you got anything out of it, that's great. At this time, I want to take the opportunity to ask you to consider subscribing to my channel. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. I know a lot of you watch my content, and for that I am grateful. Go ahead and consider subscribing. It will help my channel grow a lot. Don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload something new. So until next time, always remember, in small spaces, even such as mine, you can grow great amount of food for yourself and your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.